everyone, welcome back. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Robin Goldberg. I am a nutritionist with Robin Goldberg Nutrition and Wellness. For more information about my personal nutrition, consulting services, or my group presentations, check out my website, robingoldbergnutrition.com. I also wrote a cookbook. It is called Hidden Veggies, and today we're actually going to be making one of the recipes in my cookbook. So today we're going to be making these salmon avocado burgers. I'll give you a little view of the picture. So we're going to be making these salmon burgers today. So if you would like to cook along with me, what you will need is 12 ounces, I'm using 14, it's fine, of canned salmon, an avocado, green onions, an egg, some green peas, and then salt, pepper, and some garlic powder. Super simple, not a lot of ingredients, very easy. And then to go along with it, we are going to be making a homemade tzatziki sauce. That's totally optional. You can make it if you like, but I love a tzatziki sauce with my salmon burgers. So we're gonna make that today. And for that, you need Greek yogurt, lemon, a cucumber, and some dill, basically, and some garlic. And that's it, really, really easy. So let's get started. All right, we're gonna start by adding our avocado into the bowl and then mashing it up just so we get it all nice and creamy. All right, now that our avocado is nice and mashed, we're just gonna go ahead and add in all of our rest of our ingredients. So I have a third of the cup, the green peas. I use frozen peas and I just defrost them in the microwave, super easy. You can mash them in a little bit, depends on if you want the peas to show through, or sometimes for our kids, I know they don't want to see the peas, so you can mash it if you want. Totally your call. I like to have a little bit of the peas show through, so I'm only gonna mash it a little bit. And then we'll mix everything else. So then we'll add in our egg, our green onion, our salmon, and our spices. All right, now that our mixture's ready, we're just gonna form it into 4 patties. If you can make these smaller, if you wanna make little small salmon burgers, you can do that too, but I'm gonna make 4 like larger size salmon burgers. So we just make it into a ball, roll it up, using about 1/4 of the mixture right now. And then we just kind of put it on a plate and kind of pat it down a little bit, and there you go. So we're gonna make 4 of these. Let's see. You can see one right here, make it into a ball, and then we just sort of pat it down. And we'll make 2 more. All right, now we have our 4 salmon patties ready to go. We're going to put these in the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes till them set. You can leave them a little longer if you want, but for about a minimum of 20 minutes before we cook them. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them in my fridge now. All right, now we're gonna make our quick and easy homemade tzatziki sauce. So I'm gonna start by taking some Greek yogurt, putting it into a bowl, and then we're just gonna add the rest of our ingredients. So I have 2 cloves of garlic. We're gonna do about 1/4 of this cucumber, some lemon juice, chop up some dill, and some salt and pepper. So let's get started. All right, and there we go. We have our homemade tzatziki sauce that are gonna go on top of our salmon burgers once we cook them. All right, so our burgers have been rested in the fridge for about a little over 30 minutes, so now it's time to cook them. So we're going to heat up our pan, turn it on. I'm gonna add some olive oil. You can also use avocado oil. That's another really good oil to cook with, and also has a good burn rate, so you don't burn your food and don't get like the carcinogens from burning everything. So avocado oil is a great one to use, and olive oil is a great one to use. But if you prefer to use some butter or ghee, totally your call, you can do that as well. So we're gonna heat up the skillet with some of the oil, and then we're going to put our burgers on, and we will cook them for about 6 minutes per side. We just want them to get like brown and a little crispy. So kind of eye it and watch it a little bit, depends on how thick and how big your burgers are, but you just want to get them nice and browned on both sides. Alright, so our burgers have been cooking for about 6 minutes per side, so now we are going to just flip them and get them nice and brown on the other side. Look how good those look. Nice and crispy. All right, now we're just gonna let them cook for about 5 or 6 more minutes, and then we'll be done. All right, looking good. I think our salmon burgers are about done. They look good on both sides, so I'm just gonna turn off the heat and put them on my plate here, and then serve them with our tzatziki sauce. I also made a little Greek salad to have with it. You can put these on some pita, on a hamburger bun, anything you really like, or with some pasta if you want, like a Greek-inspired pasta. They're really versatile, really delicious, and have some hidden veggies in them, so even better. Give you a look. Here are our burgers. Don't they look awesome? All right, dinner's ready. Thanks again for watching, everyone. Again, my name is Robin Goldberg with Robin Goldberg Nutrition and Wellness. If you want more information about me or my services, go to robingoldbergnutrition.com. You can also find my cookbook there. Again, it's called Hidden Veggies. Find it on my website or on Amazon. Thanks for watching.